Hey y'all, it's your girl Saniah Antonye, aka Big AE. Today I'm going to be doing a self-maintenance vlog. So I'm about to be going to where I'm going. I'm going to Fall Below to go get some fake press-ons because I don't got time to get my nails done right now. I'm going to be doing my lashes, be doing my hair. I'm going to do like a quick weave. Rolling homecoming tomorrow and tailgate, so we're going to get lit. And I'm going to vlog that too for y'all, and I got y'all. So stay on the lookout. But first, I got a package, so you know when we get packages, we gotta show the package off, and I'm about to show y'all the package that I got. Okay, look, it's that Her Fantasy. All right, so y'all, I got this. I got the for the yoni. I got this for the yoni. They say it's like a peppermint wash, feminine cleansing gel. It's the yummy body wash. And yup, y'all see it, yummy, yummy, fresh and clean. Let me get a thumbnail. Wait, let me do it like this. So. Let me smell it. Damn, it's not even open. Duh, it's not open. Duh. Alright, what did I show y'all next? I got the Body Magic, so it's like if you got body odor and like after you sweating and stuff and you got like an odor to you, this to get you right. It's the slippery box to get. It's to get you wet. To get you wet. I want to smell this stuff. Ooh, 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 ooh. All right, and then this. I got. Let me open this and smell it. Smell regular, but I do want to smell this. Yo, this smells so good. But maybe I'll do a review at the end, and like when I'm getting in the shower and stuff after I'm all cute and stuff. Five Below, we're here. Here at Five Below. Let me see if they have what I'm looking for though. Oh, I can use this right here. Where is they nails? I'm trying to find their nails. Alright, I bet. Ooh, these are cute. I'm gonna do these, y'all. Let me get some glue. Right here. I think I might just get a regular clear. Oh, this is cute. Is this like a clear one though? Oh, this is like a crop piece. No, I think I'm gonna just go with this one. Because purple is my favorite color. Here go a basket. Because this is what I'm looking for. This. You get. Drop it.
Wake up for you, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What we want. My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not going well. It's some me time. Hope you doing what you want. Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom cause I knew you off the shelf. Now my bitch is Chanel.
Alright, y'all, so I'm back. These my nails. I just got done doing my nails. They look cute. Now I'm about to do my lashes. That's cool. These. I don't know why I don't never want to focus. Okay, you see? Okay, you see.
Baby, in the meantime, it's not going well. Get some me time. I don't know if you do what you want. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. In the meantime, it's not going where I want it. Get some me time. You do what you want. In the meantime, it's not going where I want it. Get some me time. You do what you want. Maybe I'll love myself. I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, I got the glue in my eye. I'm about to do my hair right now, so this is my hair out. And now y'all see I got good lighting because I got my ring light back. Oh shoot, maybe I should do this too. But let me show y'all the hair I'm using too. This the hair I'm using. I'm using this hair. I don't know what it's called. Oh, purple pack. Purple pack. You feel me? Purple pack in that building. Sarah, you and this creepy smile, bro. That's the worst thing ever. And my fucking phone storage be pissing me off. Like, it's alright, I got it for YouTube, but I really wanted to do it for Instagram too. That's boring.
You can't like take it from there.
Yeah, I can.
But you want to like look a certain way. Like,
yeah, I want it on this one, and I want it on.
Delete stuff. You probably gotta delete. You do that kind of stuff too.
Yeah, I do. Back up, little boy. This shit better not be tingly.
I feel like if it's like a lot of bundles of girl things, you might be dressing.
Alright, so the first track, I'm gonna go from like here. Let me do it for my Instagram and TikTok video first, then I'm gonna show y'all. You good? Whatever. I'm gonna just do it for y'all too.
Cause don't like all your hair videos stuff that you do on your phone. You gonna start doing your hair videos. Start doing your hair videos on that.
Yeah, I know. I want to, but you know how it's like a landscape view.
Yeah. Yeah.
Now, but I can do it up and down like this. But I'm gonna be doing YouTube on here and this. Let me see if I can do it real quick. Well, let me show y'all. I said, what is you doing, bro? Damn, it's like two. Yeah, I said, what are you doing?
better not eat it. You don't think it's good.
Right. He don't even care. He was eating this. Oh,
Don't put it in your mouth. You put it right where the thumbs be.
yo, chill, man. You sound like.
Come back up. Come on. You got your remote control. Come on. Come on. You got your remote control. There you go. There you go. Alright, go ahead. Get back in your little buddy.
Nigga. Is you saying nigga? I see you better watch your mouth.
What are you saying right? It wasn't that.
Who that? You use a lot of this, Saniah? Ooh, that's a lot. No, P&B, why you had to leave?
Who am I to say no? Bad bitches on my timeline, telling me that they in love. Catch me at the right time. Yeah, it's dark out, sneak creep out. That's what I'm talking about. I feel like the same, I'm fucking. You will leave me alone. She bitch,